Hello, this is Zinnia with Baja123.com. This is La Jolla del Mar, Unit 1301. This is a turnkey ready unit, 2 stories with a ton of upgrades. Please enjoy. This is the view from the 14th floor terrace of a junior penthouse with 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, with over 3,100 square feet. This is a turnkey ready unit that offers many upgrades, such as bullnose granite countertops, travertine floors throughout, and a beautiful wood staircase. Stainless steel appliances, a reverse water osmosis system, a large kitchen island, wood striped doors, a jetted jacuzzi tub, not to mention that 2 of the 3 bedrooms are oceanfront and have their own master bath. One of those has a jetted jacuzzi tub and the other one has an extra large tub. If you have any more questions or wish to make an appointment for a showing, please contact myself or any of the Baja 123 members. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.